Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because we're opening up Vellabox, my candle subscription. I love candles and I love their candles. The burn time is amazing, they smell amazing, and yeah, I can't wait to see what we have for the month of February. Before we get started, I want to say hi. Hey guys, how are you doing? If you are new here, my name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes and I open them every day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you like boxes too, if you like me and my channel, my style, the casual style we have here on our channel, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. But I'm really just so grateful all of you guys are here. Let me know how you're doing and welcome back if you guys have been around. Love ya. Let's get back to the box. So Vellabox, candle subscription. They have 3 different options starting at $10 per month. We're opening the $30 subscription today, and all the boxes come with a bonus item. All of their candles are made in small batches from local artisans in the United States. They're free of all the icky toxins and they smell so dang good. So they switched it up recently. In the $30 subscription, you get 1 big candle now. Instead of a 4 ounce and an 8 ounce, you get like 16 ounce or something. I can't remember the exact size, but they're large and they smell so good. And they also have a scent profile. So when you subscribe, or if you're already a subscriber, you can go on your profile or your account page. I'll link them down below and you can update that if you guys haven't already. Let them know what scent you like and what you don't like, all of that. And also I have a $5 off promo code I will leave down below. It's kittysboxes in all caps, so definitely use that if you want to save some money. So you can get your first box as low as $5, but yeah, let's get this open. I know they sent me this scent and I selected what one, and they all sounded so good. It was actually hard. I always want to be like, oh, just send me anything, because this is kindly sent to me free for review, but I also do have my own paid one. Thanks my mom. Thanks mom. We both get it. So clearly I love Vellabox. I get twice a month. So we have a box in the box. Here, Emmy. So here's the box, and it tells you all about it. We already talked about that. They support small artisans, spreading light from small and local makers to our large candle-loving community. Thanks for supporting small businesses. Artisan-made, eco-friendly packaging. Yeah, they're a very sustainable company. Eco-friendly, I love that. Luxury scent, elevated design, and natural ingredients. And like I said, they're eco-conscious and sustainable, so they talk about recycling. That's great. And here's what it looks like inside. The quote this month is, "You matter now and always as you are." This is new. They have Spotify playlists. I am one of the only people that does not use Spotify, but I want to start doing it because I used to listen to, I use YouTube for like literally everything. Like I did a workout through YouTube, meditation. I watch obviously videos and music too. So I need to try this out. So you scan this and it says, "Listen while you burn for the ultimate vibe. Play our February playlist on Spotify." That's so cool. And the candles always come, oh shit. Sorry, excuse my friend. The candles always come in these drawstring bags that I always repurpose, and they're so cute. They're canvas, and the extra item dropped. I'm just gonna scooch that booch and get it. So let's start with this. Ooh, cool. Aromatherapy shower mist. Yes, please. Morning Calm. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's by Essence One. This sounds awesome. So you shake before you juice and mist 8 to 10 pumps into the shower steam and allow the therapeutic aroma to awaken your senses. I am super excited about this. I think I dropped something else to the card that talks about candle. Oh. So what's inside, it'll tell you about the featured candles, and it tells you everything on here based on your profile scent. And then I can't remember what I got. I think I got, I'm trying to guess, Winter Lodge, or did I get Cozy Cashmere, or Je t'aime? Isn't that like I love you or something in French? But yeah, so this says, "Start your day off right with Morning Calm, a blend of spearmint, bergamot, mint, and patchouli." That sounds so good. Nice. I'm really excited to use that. I like that better than getting a shower steamer because it lasts longer, you know? There's so many uses in that. How many ounces is in here? 2 fluid ounces. Nice. Candle. Did I do the Cozy Cashmere? What did I do? Winter Lodge. Okay, that was actually my first guess, wasn't it? Or wasn't that? Yeah, it was. So this is what it looks like. Is that focusing? So it's a 100% soy candle. It's number 15 by Forget Me Not. Winter Lodge. The notes are fir needles, smoked woods, peppercorn, herbs, cedarwood, patchouli, and sandalwood. And don't worry, I'll read you the description like I like to do. Oh my God. I really want to eat it. It smells so good. There's nothing but good times and pure higo. Oh God, I should know this. It's that word that's spelled nothing like how it sounds. Higo? Higo? No, it doesn't matter. That word that's all about making your home cozy. Inside the Winter Lodge, crackling fire, plush interiors, scenic views, and beautiful memories with loved ones. This scent will invite you right in. And this is for fans of woodsy. If you are a fan of fresh and sweet spice, you would have gotten cozy cashmere. And for fans of floral, j'aime. And you can scan a QR code for repurchase if you want. Excuse me. Choking on my own spit. I'm so sorry. So the candles are from Chattanooga, Tennessee. My brother used to live there. And you can find them at forgetmenot_candles on Instagram. And use code CLEAN20 for 20% off. Awesome. And Essence One Life is from Minneapolis. So this smells so freaking good. And I love that she's from Tennessee. Gabrielle, thank you for creating this amazing candle. And thank you, Vellabox, for sending this to me. I love it. Look at me. I'm just like talking to you guys as I'm sniffing. Sorry for my little cough fest. I didn't even like hear. I was like, I'm just going to keep reading. So that was everything for Vellabox. 100% love this company. 100% recommend. So check them out. I will leave the link below along with the code. And yeah, thank you guys for being here and watching. How are you guys doing? Let me know. And if you guys get Vellabox, what did you choose? Or what's your scent profile? Or do you just get like a surprise every month? Because I'd honestly be happy with any of them, but that one was really good. Let me know how the others are. And let me know who you are. Thanks again for being here, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you super soon.